Hi, I'm Dave Lindberg with DB Enterprises in Hong Kong. We're here at the Loudspeaker Sourcing Show this week with Simon Weston from
Hi, how are
Zumi
you?
Systems. Thanks for joining us here, Simon. So we wanted to take some time to introduce Simon's test and measurement system that he's brought to market here. And so Simon, can you tell a bit about the rationale behind why you've come up with these standalone systems?
So I guess the key point is what we've done is dispense with the computer, the PC, and a lot of ancillary equipment and compressed everything into a small, efficient package for a wide range of audio measurements. We're focused on headphones, but it's applicable to components, drivers, microphones, loudspeakers.
Okay, that's great. Okay, can you just run through a quick demo and explain some of the feature sets that people can experience with this unit?
This unit is doing production line trimming for a noise cancellation headset. In this case, it's a feedback noise cancellation.
Okay.
So we can use the internal speakers for our production trimming. So the test will run through and make a measurement of the noise cancelling and adjust the microphone gains on each side to get to a target level and balance left and right.
Okay. And it also does ANC tuning, agnostic to any ANC chip?
Absolutely. So it'll work for any chip that has a communications interface, either through Bluetooth or via a cable.
Okay, that's great.
So I can just quickly show you a bit more detail about this test. So it's set up to, as I mentioned before, to measure the noise cancelling and do a production line trimming on it. So we have a start-stop button here. We press start. The unit will begin by measuring the headphone when the ANC is off, and then when the ANC is on, and make a comparison between those two states to give us an ANC curve. If you saw carefully, it begins at a level that is not in our target range. The product communicates to the ANC chip in the headphone, adjusts that trimming until it is in the target range. So for this particular unit, we get this amount of ANC ultimately.
Okay, that's great. Simon, can you tell us a bit of what's inside? What are the guts of this unit, and how can it be modified for any customer's needs?
Sure, so actually it's built on a single board computer inside. There's no other ancillary equipment needed. It includes up to 8 channel inputs. So that means you can do certain types of measurement job that's very difficult to do with a limited number of channels. And so that core PCB can be built into a wide variety of different applications. So today I'm just demonstrating the headphone test, and this small unit will also do headphones or earphones, and it can be used for QC applications or for developers as a desktop tool. But you could equally take those PCBs and build them into larger production line automation equipment, and that's also one of the focus.
And the data is all exportable via either SD card or Wi-Fi, as I understand it?
Yep, so we have comprehensive data logging onto an SD card, sent over a Bluetooth serial or through Wi-Fi, that's right.
Okay, that's great. Okay, Simon, so yeah, nice to meet you here today. I understand you've been in this industry some time. I've known you for several years now. But can you tell the people a bit about what makes you credible for this type of application?
Sure, absolutely.
Bit of a tough question.
No, well, I'm born in New Zealand, and I studied acoustics and mechanical engineering there and got a master's degree, in fact, studying panel vibrations, as it happens. After a few years of working in New Zealand, I moved up to China, and I lived there for a little over 10 years,
right.
And currently living in Japan.
Great. Okay.